Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to see all comments on TikTok at once. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy, click on the privacy and you can tap on the comments. You can see review filtered comments, you can see all comments. If some comments are being missing, then go back and click on the account. You can see here download your data. Get a copy of your TikTok data. You are requested to filter all your comments at once. You have to click on the requested. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.